Guys, what causes hips to increase in size in female? I don't know what is your take on that, but today that's what we want to discuss about. So there are some theories which says that sex causes the hips to increase in size in female. Is it true? We're going to determine that from shortly in this video. So the hips can increase in size due to variety of reasons, including puberty. That is, during puberty, both male and females experience growth spurts, which can result in the increase in the hips size. So puberty, as the kids grow during puberty, we have that sprouting of or spurting of the hips. So puberty is one of the causes of actually this increase in size of the hips. Weight gain can also be another connotation which can show uh, uh, that there is an increase in the hips because of weight gain. Gaining weight can cause increase in the size of the hips as well as other parts of the body. So that can be also one of the causes of the increase in in the hip size. Pregnancy, especially in women, experience increase in hip size during pregnancy due to hormonal changes, weight gain, and the baby growth. Also, we have genetics. Some people may have wider hips due to their genetics combination. That means what the genes they have inherited from their parents can be they also the cause of the increase in the size of the hips. Also, we have hormonal imbalances. Hormonal imbalances such as excess estrogen can lead also to the increase in the hip size. Also, lack of exercise, because a sedentary lifestyle and a lack of exercise can contribute to weight gain and also the subsequently the increase in hip size. Also, we have medical conditions, especially certain medical conditions such as Cushing's syndrome. We have what you call the Cushing syndrome, or what you call polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS, which can also cause the increase in the size of the hips for an individual. So it is important to note the increase in hip size is not necessarily the cause of concern, and it can be a natural part of growth and development. However, if you are concerned about changes in your body, it's always a good idea to speak with your healthcare provider. Guys, allow us always tell you your healthcare provider is the best source of information and also authentic information, which can determine why the increase in size of those of the hips, especially in female. Especially it's good to determine the cause of that, especially when we have Cushing's syndrome, and also we have polycystic ovarian syndrome, so that it can be approached earlier so that the individual gets treatment. Also, subsequently, we have also increase in the breast size. Those theories which say the increase in the breast size, and maybe somebody is engaging in a lot of sex, that's why the increase in sex. But also the breast increase in size because of the various reasons. One of the reasons is the puberty, like in hips, puberty, that is transition from childhood to adulthood. You get that during puberty, because of the hormonal changes, as in the case of the hips, we have increase in breast development, and also they also increase in size. Weight gain, the same way, gaining weight can cause an increase in breast size because as fat accumulates in the breast and also on the tissues of the breast. So there is that subsequence of the showing of increase in the size of the breast. Also, hormonal imbalance such as excess estrogen, like in the hips also, it can cause the tissue to grow and result in the increase in size. Also, menstrual cycle, especially during menstrual cycle, hormone fluctuation can cause swelling and also retain some water in the breasts, so leading to temporary swelling and an increase of the size of the breasts. Also, certain medications like birth control methods, control pills, or hormonal replacement therapy, especially for those ladies who are in the menopausal area who get the hormonal replacement therapy. This can cause increase also in the breast size. And also, last but not least, we have the medical conditions, like certain medical conditions such as hyperthyroidism or tumors can cause increase in the breast size. So guys, puberty, weight gain, pregnancy, hormonal imbalances, menstrual cycle, certain medical conditions such as certain medications such as the pills, and also hormonal replacement therapy, and also medical conditions such as hyperthyroidism or tumors can cause increase in the breast size. So it is important to know that the increase in the breast size is not necessarily a cause of concern like in the hips. So it can be a natural process of growth and development. However, if you are concerned about it, changes in your body, or experience some discomfort, it's always a good idea that you speak to with your healthcare professional to determine why the issue is there. We have various perceptions with individuals about breast sagging. Uh, that is the change in uh, the change and also sag. What can cause sagging of the breast, or what we call breast ptosis or ptosis, which can occur due to a variety of reasons. They include age. So as a woman ages, the skin loses elasticity and the breast tissue can start to sag. So age is a predisposing factor for the sagging breast or breast ptosis. So that is a very important aspect, and there's no way somebody cannot can prevent aging because of the losing of the elasticity of the skin. So one is predisposed with age on the sagging of the breast. Also, another one is pregnancy and breastfeeding. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, the breast tissue can stretch and become enlarged, which can lead to sagging automatically. Also, weight fluctuations, rapid weight gain, or rapid weight loss can cause breast tissue to stretch and lose its elasticity, resulting in the sagging. So, when one gains a lot of weight, when one loses suddenly a lot of weight, there are also changes which can occur on the breast tissue, so that they now look sagging because of the losing of those fat tissues in the breast. Also, we have genetics. Genetics can play a role in the breast shape and size, which can affect the likelihood of sagging also. So also smoking. Smoking can cause the skin to lose elasticity, which can contribute also to the sagging of the breasts. Also, very important also the ladies to note poor posture. I think we'll have a video on the proper posture which we are supposed to take. Posture plays a very important role in our health. So poor posture can weaken the muscles in the chest and contribute to the sagging. So also lack of support. Wearing, especially that's why we have different sizes of the bras. Bras are the supporters for the ladies use to support their breasts. So it is important to have to know the proper size of your bra through the size of your breast, so that you can support as adequately as possible, so that you avoid overstretching of the breast muscle or breast tissue and lead to the sagging of those breasts. Also, hormonal changes. Hormonal changes such as those associated with menopause, especially when ladies get to menopause, can cause the breast tissue to lose density and also contribute to the sagging. It is important to note that breast sagging is a natural part of aging and can occur even in women who have never been pregnant or breastfeeding. However, if you are concerned about the sagging, it's always good idea to speak with the healthcare professional that you are not comfortable with the sagging breast so that you can get appropriately. So no age, no pregnancy and breastfeeding, weight fluctuations, the genetics, the smoking, poor posture, lack of support, and hormonal changes can really affect the and also bring about the sagging of the breast. But normally, it's a normal process of life as one is supposed to age. So it's important, guys, that you get proper management and also learn on how uh, to to support your breast as much as possible. So how can one manage the breast when they are sagging or they have sagged? Number one is about having, because it's a very great concern, especially with the ladies. Uh, as much as we say it is natural, it's important to understand none of the method can reverse completely or eliminate the sagging. However, I have some tips on how one can improve the appearance of the breast, and there are some management options for the sagging of the breast. Number one, we have supportive bras, so that wearing a bra that fits well and provides adequate support can help to minimize the appearance of breast sagging. So the proper size of the bras is very important, because that one can make your work very easier and also prevent or support whatever you have, so that it doesn't look so much sagged. So strength training, like that, those are the special exercises. So for the strengthening of the muscles in the chest, especially those exercises which uh, make the muscles of the chest to be stronger, they really they can improve the posture and also provide additional support to the breast. Weight gain management is also very important as a way of preventing the sagging breast. Maintaining healthy weight can help to prevent rapid weight gain and loss, which contribute to breast sagging. Also, number four is about moisturizing. Regular moisturizing the skin around the breast can help to improve the skin elasticity and prevent further sagging. Because we got that as we age, the body or the breast loses the elasticity, but with the proper moisturizing of the muscles of the breast, you get that one improves the that condition of sagging. So we also have surgical options where one can be done surgery. In some cases, surgical options such as breast lift or augmentation may be recommended to improve the appearance of the breast. However, these procedures carry risks and they should be discussed with a healthcare professional. So it's important to know that the breast sagging is a natural part of the aging and is not a medical concern unless it is accompanied by other symptoms or changes. If you are concerned about breast sagging, as I always advise you, it's always good to go to the healthcare professional who can advise you on what you can do to improve your appearance and also to improve uh, uh, your self-esteem at the same time. Also, a very important way of preventing this condition, as I have said, is good to wear a supportive bra as a way of prevention. Wearing a bra that fits well provides adequate support that can help to minimize the effects of gravity on the breast. Also, maintaining a healthy weight. You maintain your weight within your BMI, so that you don't lose a lot of weight or gain a lot of weight, so that you maintain the the elasticity and also the texture of that breast. Also, exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help to strengthen the muscles in the chest, like I've said, back, and also the shoulders, which can provide additional support to the breasts. Also protect your skin from exposure to sun rays that can damage the skin. That is the UV rays. They are very harmful rays from the sun. So don't expose yourself a lot to the sun so that you prevent premature aging and also sagging. So when you are exposed to the UV rays, it's always good to put on a sunscreen and also wear protective clothing to protect the skin, because as those UV rays affect the elasticity of the skin, and also they promote a lot of sagging, which is unnecessary. Also, if you are a smoker, quit smoking. Smoking can cause skin to lose elasticity, which can contribute to the breast sagging. So quitting smoking can help to prevent this. Also, very important, an aspect of health is about stay hydrated and also promote take a lot of water, which can keep you hydrated and prevent it, which can hydrate well your skin and make it moist, so that you don't it doesn't lose its elasticity and lead to the breast sagging. Also, be mindful of your posture. Poor posture can weaken the muscles of the chest and contribute to the sagging. So wherever you are seated, when you are standing, take a proper posture as appropriate, so that you prevent your body from getting a lot of stress, on, especially on the chest part of it. There are different good postures which one takes, always when seated and also when standing, to prevent to strengthen it, to put your muscles in a proper position, so that you don't get into other problems. So it is important that as much as breast sagging is a natural process for the women, many women have a lot of concern about it. So always improve overall appearance of the breast by doing what I've stated above, and so that we don't get into the breast sagging complications, as it is common. So we have some possible complications of breast sagging. Number one, we have what we call skin irritation. In case of severe sagging, the skin underneath the breast can rub against the clothing and cause irritation, or predispose one to rashes. Also, it can cause, as a complication of the sagging of the breast, one may have back pain. Breast sagging can affect posture and lead to back pain or discomfort, especially in women with larger breasts. Also, about because it's a concern for the ladies especially, back the emotional well-being of them is affected with the sagging of the breast, so it becomes a complication for them. So some women may feel self-conscious or unhappy with the appearance of their breasts, which can have an impact on the emotional well-being and the quality of life. Also, some women may have difficulty in breastfeeding, so breast sagging may make it more and difficult to breastfeed, and they may not produce enough milk for those kids. So, but that is considerate to the what the doctor can see and also can happen, because it doesn't mean when you have a sagging breast you can't breastfeed, but because of other underlying things which your healthcare provider can come up with, so breastfeeding, difficulty in breastfeeding can become an issue there. Also, in rare cases, we have infection. So, especially the silent breast may develop some, because of the irritation and the damage of the breast. So, we may have some infection over the same. So, if you are experiencing any symptoms or concern related to breast sagging, it's always a good idea to speak to a healthcare provider to always allay your fears. So, guys, breast sagging, also known as breastosis, is a common condition among women in a natural part, and is a natural part of aging for many. While it may not typically cause complications, it may have an impact on the physical and the emotional well-being in some cases. So management options for breast sagging include wearing a supportive bras, strength training, weight management, moisturizing and surgical options as appropriate. So on prevention tips include wearing supportive bra, maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, protecting the skin, quitting smoking, staying hydrated, and being mindful of the posture. If you are experiencing any symptoms or concerns related to the breast sagging, it's always a good idea to speak with the healthcare provider so that you get your fears or your concerns allayed. Guys, this is Future Talks channel. Welcome to our channel. Can leave your most subscribe to our channel, and I want to welcome you to our next video. Welcome, guys. Thank you very much, and also have a good one, and also welcome to our next one. Thank